10 foods. If you consume them on a daily basis, they will protect and clean the kidneys. Did you know that the kidneys purify the blood of toxins and impurities by approximately 180 liters per day? Or 60 times the whole blood in the body. So if you suffer from dehydration, or you take a lot of painkillers, it will cause your kidneys to die. It is necessary to maintain kidney health. So we'll introduce you in this video. 10 foods help to protect and clean the kidneys by 100%. Number 1. Eat cruciferous vegetables. Like lettuce, spinach, cabbage, broccoli, avocado. All of these vegetables contain potassium, which reduces calcium loss from bones, so that calcium is not deposited in the kidney. Potassium also reduces blood acidity and high blood pressure. Potassium reduces the production of uric acid. Therefore, it prevents the formation of stones in the kidney. So be careful to include cruciferous vegetables in your diet. In order to get rid of toxins and cleanse the kidneys naturally, we come to food number 2. It is drinking lemon. Lemon is one of the best antioxidants because it contains vitamin C, which contains citric acid and ascorbic acid. Citric acid prevents calcium acid from creating kidney stones. Ascorbic acid helps to reduce the level of uric acid and prevent it from making kidney stones. Therefore, you should drink natural lemon juice to clean and repair your kidneys. Number 3. Foods rich in vitamin B6. So make sure to eat red meat, liver and nutritional yeast. Vitamin B6 prevents oxalates from collecting in the kidney, which turn into stones. Number 4. All kinds of berries. It is one of the best fruits that protect and clean the kidney. Berries are very rich in vitamins and essential elements for a healthy body, such as vitamin C and antioxidants. According to the latest studies, eating cranberries for 2 weeks is able to protect the bladder from all types of inflammation. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic is good not only for the kidneys, but for the whole body. It is considered a natural antibiotic. It is very rich in the most important antioxidants. Thus, it protects against inflammation. Garlic is antibacterial and antifungal. Garlic also reduces blood pressure, insulin resistance and blood sugar. And garlic is rich in phosphorus. Phosphorus helps to clean and protect the kidney from heavy metals. The latest studies have shown that garlic consumption is daily for a period of up to 4 weeks. It reduces the percentage of lead in the blood. Number 6. Parsley. Or parsley syrup. Parsley has amazing benefits for kidney health. It is a diuretic. This helps to clean the kidney of toxins and bacteria. Parsley also contains antioxidants. It contains minerals such as potassium and magnesium, which reduce insulin resistance and maintain kidney health. Parsley also reduces stress and the hormone cortisol, which damages the kidney. Number 7. Turmeric. It is considered one of the best antioxidants. It contains curcumin, which is very useful for kidney health. You can add turmeric with your daily meals. To keep your kidneys healthy, add black pepper with turmeric to increase the absorption of turmeric in the intestines 2,000 times. Number 8. Ginger. Ginger reduces blood pressure. It reduces blood sugar. It reduces insulin resistance and inflammation in the body. It is one of the best blood thinners. Add ginger to your daily meals or drink it with water. Number 9. Beetroot. One of the most beneficial things for kidney health. Beetroot increases the secretion of nitric oxide, which works to expand blood vessels, which reduces blood pressure. Beetroot is rich in potassium, which reduces blood pressure. Beetroot reduces inflammation in the body and inflammation in the kidneys. Beetroot also contains betaine that reduce homocysteine levels. It prevents it from rising in order not to cause vascular and heart problems. Beetroot stimulates the body to release catalase, which protects against kidney failure, resulting from excessive intake of antibiotics. Number 10. Green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants that clear the course of urination and help the kidneys get rid of any accumulated toxins. Finally, Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and the like button.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to like channel to receive all new news.